Okay, gang, we're back. We're gonna make chili number 2. It's gonna be a little bit different this time. We're gonna make it a little hotter. All right, just go over the other ingredients. We've got 1 whole onion diced up. My wife actually cut that up. We've got a red pepper and a green pepper in there already diced up. So that's that. This one we've got Bush's chili beans, spicy. So I went with the spicy version this time. We actually have 3 cans. So here, this one's got chili beans, red beans with mild chili sauce. So 1 of each. And then finally a third with kidney beans, just to get a different color, with spicy chili sauce. So that's really the spicy sauce right there, those 2. So you don't put any kind of spices in it. You just put those 3 cans in there with all this stuff. And let's finish off what we're putting in here. I went with 1 can of diced tomatoes this time. Remember last time I did 2 and it overflowed. So we're just gonna do 1. And then 1 can of tomato paste. Just went with generic tomato paste. If anybody can tell me why, like, the high-end tomato paste is better than generic, then I'll look at it. But for me, tomato paste is tomato paste. So those are the ingredients, along with the secret ingredients of brown sugar. Okay, I actually cooked the meat last night and put it in the fridge in the crock pot. We've got 1.5 pounds of ground beef. You could get the really lean stuff or just medium. I went with medium and then just drained it. Then I put a 1/2 pound of Italian spicy sausage in there, and it was just regular brand name, nothing special. Just did a 1/2 pound of that. And then 3 slices of the thick cut bacon again. Really good add to that. So anyway, I cooked all that meat last night separately. Probably cooked them together, but I thought for consistency I'd cook them separately. Drain them, put them in here. They're ready to go. Ready to get started adding to the rest of the stuff to make a chili. There's the peppers and the onions in there. Starting to get some color. Okay, that's a lot of jalapenos. Hopefully it's not too spicy. All right, there's the diced tomatoes and the tomato paste in there. Just want to show you. It doesn't look like it's going to overflow this time. We'll see. Okay, now we got everything in. Just need to stir it up. Put it on high. See how it looks stirred up here in a second. Forgot the brown sugar there. Put about 1.5 cups of brown sugar in there. Now we're going to stir it up, make it look nice. Okay, there it is, pretty mixed up. Put on high. It's definitely not going to overflow this time. So we'll come back 3 or 4 hours. Again, just to summarize the meat, because you can get to see me kind of take it out and cut it up and all that. So it was 1.5 pounds of just kind of regular hamburger, 1/2 pound of just a spicy Italian breakfast sausage, and then 3 strips of the thick strips you get from the deli of bacon. Cost a couple bucks, just 3 strips. I cut those up into really small pieces with scissors, and cooked all those things up separately, put them together. They're all in there. So it's pretty meaty. Lots of jalapenos, 3 cans of beans. Should be good. We'll see. So we'll check it again in a few hours. Okay, after about 3 hours, it doesn't cook as well as it usually does after 3 hours. I think because the meat and the veggies were cold from the fridge, it didn't cook as well. But 3 hours, still kind of the minimum amount of time. You know, you can see the onions aren't quite cooked up, but lots of jalapenos in here. Made myself a little bowl. We're gonna give it a try here. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Definitely spicier than the last one. It's good. Taste the bacon and the sausage in there, and definitely the heat. If you like it hot, this is the right one to go. If you don't, throw some cheese on it. Thanks. Okay, quick update. 5 hours in, and it's perfect. So you can see it's bubbling, looking good. The veggies are cooked down. And I just tried a little bite out of a little bowl. It is pretty spicy. So hope you enjoy. Bye.